Managing all your assets can be a real hassle. That's why we've teamed up with top manufacturers to co-create our asset tracking software. Imagine having the ability to automatically monitor all your assets in real time from any device. No more misplaced assets, missed calibration and service dates, or uncertainty during audits. Using Xemelgo's smart factory solutions, this is now a reality. Our asset management software seamlessly integrates advanced sensor technology, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence into your factory's operations to eliminate risk and transform your business. Xemelgo simplifies asset management with automatic tracking and monitoring of all your assets in real time, saving your team hours each week. Quickly find what you need without wasting time searching for misplaced tools or equipment. Pinpoint the exact location of any asset using RFID technology and our mobile search and find feature. Xemelgo's smart asset software goes beyond basic asset tracking to offer advanced compliance features. Our solution helps you minimize compliance risk and downtime through maintenance and calibration tracking. We alert you before due dates approach, ensuring assets are always ready for use and reducing the risk of costly disruptions. With our quick RFID verification process, you can ensure that all assets are returned to their proper location in seconds, reducing the risk of tools left behind in mission-critical areas. Plus, Xemelgo alerts you whenever assets leave their designated geofenced area, giving you peace of mind and greater control over your assets. Xemelgo supports all kinds of assets for a broad range of industries. So why struggle with manual asset management when you can take advantage of our smart asset tracking solution? Visit Xemelgo.com to see for yourself how you can transform your business with Xemelgo.